The current population of the Philippines is 119,625,718 as of June 2024. There are 10 million Filipinos live abroad and more. 1 million Filipino leave the country each year to work abroad. There are 900,000 Filipino in Europe. OFW money remittances to relatives in the Philippines are a major contribution to the Philippines economy with 8.9% of the Philippines gross domestic product. According to research, parental departure to work abroad made a gap in the child's life regardless of his age. Emotional and intellectual development can be affected. With the parents' desire for their children to study, they chose to work in another country and believed with all their hearts that the direction to be taken was for a better future.
Taglay mo sa bagwis ng iyong paghayo, ang pangako ng walang hanggang bukas. Pabaon man sa'yo'y hakdi ng puso, aabutin ang pangarap at ang bunga ng wagas mong pagsisikap. Pag-unlad nitong bayang nilililang, kapalit ng dalamhati, paghihirap, pag-angat ng kabuhayan marilang. Liparin mo ang hangganan ng langit, sa ulap ng pag-asa iyong makakamit ang tagumpay na ulan ng iyong pagpupunyagi, pangarap ng inang bayang tinatangi. Tutularan ka ng sunod na salinlahi, kapuri-puring pag-aalay ng lakas, nagpupugay sa makabagong bayani. Ang buong bansa'y nagpapasalamat. Liparin mo hangganan ng langit, sa ulap ng pag-asa iyong makakamit ang tagumpay na bulan ng iyong pagpupunyagi, pangarap ng inang bayang tinatangi.
What you have witnessed are just a few of our fellow Filipinos who are here in France, working hard for the future of their and to uplift the economic conditions of their respective families. This night is Visaman tribute to all Filipinos who worked abroad. You are the new hero.